Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all would in flying colors. Welcome to the eVision Institute of Learning and welcome to the Spoken English Language Training. Here you should learn a lot, but for starting your learning journey, you should have to follow some SOPs and rules and also have to follow some starting tips to make your learning easier. Here are some SOPs and all students are supposed to follow them. Students should have to submit assignments on time, otherwise you will not be provided with next lecture. You are not supposed to send text in group as this is the spoken English course, so each conversation will be in direct recording, not in recorded audio. You should only discuss course related topics. You are not allowed to send text to anyone in inbox, whether classmates or mentors. Whatever your confusion is regarding course will be sorted out in group, so don't hesitate in asking course related questions in group. Here are some tips for your better learning. Students of this course are not supposed to use the word difficult. Nothing is difficult. Where there is a will, there is a way. Time management is upon you. If you have taken a step towards learning, then you should manage to complete your assignments anyways without saying